At Vantage Career Center, passion meets purpose. Students turn hands-on learning into real careers, real skills, and a future that starts now. But don't just take it from us. Hear directly from one of our students.
My name is Jalen Mans, and I'm in the Sports Exercise Therapy program at Vantage, and I'm from Paulding. I chose Sports Exercise Therapy because I play sports myself, and I feel like that would be a good career to go into since I like playing sports, and I feel like Vantage has the best program around that can better me in my future to become a personal trainer. At the beginning of the year, we learn how to stop the bleed. That's a certification that we get. We learn how to tape ankles, tape wrists. We do mobility training. We measure the range of motion that you have in your limbs. Here at Vantage, we earn a reffing certification so that when we graduate, we can go to the Y or local schools to ref for them. The type of student that would thrive in this program is students that like helping people. They have good communication skills, and they're really good at learning, and they take all the knowledge and use it, and so when they graduate, they can follow their career and achieve their goals.
Your future starts here. Learn more about this program and many others at VantageCareerCenter.com.